Welcome to Anahita.
Today we'll present you this incredible villa located right on the beach. From the moment you step inside, you're immediately greeted by a true wow factor. A breathtaking panoramic view overlooking the lagoon.
This villa has recently been renovated. The decor is light and modern. It feels very inviting and comfortable, the perfect family home. This villa features 6 ensuite bedrooms. 4 of them are located in the main property. 1 is in a separate guest house with a private sauna.
The master bedroom is set apart from the main living area, with its own access to the swimming pool and one of the most spectacular views on the ocean.
In Mauritius, life takes place outside, and this villa is made for it. A large pool, several covered lounge areas, and a beautiful view on the Gulf and the lagoon.
If you want more info about this villa or the lifestyle in Anahita, contact us today at Luxury Listings.